In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the countdown timer feature on your Casio G-Shock Module 3495 watch. First thing we need to do is we need to get to our countdown timer mode. The way we're going to do that is we're going to press the bottom left button on this watch. Bottom left button is your mode button. It'll take you to the various modes on the watch. From the timekeeping mode, if you press it 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll get to a mode that says TR. And that's going to be your countdown timer. Once you get to this screen, you're basically looking at a couple different things. Your current time will always be in the top right corner. In my case, it's 3:31, and then the bottom time is going to be your countdown timer time based on the last time you used the timer. So in my case, I reset it to my default time, which is 10 minutes. If I would have been in the middle of a timer and paused it, I would see whatever was the last value when I was in the timer mode. Couple things to mention. You have a 1-minute minimum for the timer and a 24-hour maximum for the timer. If you simply want to use the value that's there, you can press the bottom right button. That's going to be your start, pause, or stop. And then if you wanted to reset, you will press the top left button while it's stopped, and that will reset you back to your default time. You can let the countdown timer run in the background. You don't have to stay in the timer mode. I'll say this though, in a lot of cases, because you've got your current time in this mode, I would think you would just stay in your timer mode, but you'll notice if I go to a different mode, world time or stopwatch or alarm, when I go back to my countdown timer, it's been running in the background the whole time. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stop and reset it. If you want to reset your default time value while you're in your timer mode and while the timer is stopped, you can press and hold the top left button, which is your adjust button. When you press and hold it, it says hold to set, and it'll take you into the settings for the timer. Very much like in your timekeeping mode. Now you're in your settings, and you can adjust your settings accordingly. I can use the bottom right button to move my values up. I can use the top right button to move the values down. Again, 24 hours is going to be the maximum, so if you wanted to set that, if you put it at 000, that's 24 hours. Once I've got my hours set, if I simply press the mode button, it'll take me in my minutes. Again, I can use the bottom button to move up. I can use the top button to move down. So let's change it to a 5-minute timer default. Once you've got it set the way you want, simply press the top left button and you've successfully adjusted your default countdown timer time. So now we're back to start, stop, resume. I don't have to reset it. If I want to leave it at 4:55 and just go back to my main timekeeping mode, that's fine. But when you go back to your countdown timer, it'll be at 4:55. So again, if I wanted to reset it, I'd press the mode button. It'll reset me back to my default. Pretty simple stuff. Really works like most other Casio watches. That's a quick look at how to use the countdown timer mode on the Module 3495 watch.